enough of that. So, oh man, these are heavy. Okay, we have 2 packages within the 1 package. All right, take in one at a time. Always cut away from you. Rule of thumb.
You say that as you were cutting towards you.
I know, I changed it up. All right, let's move this aside for now. Let's check out this one first. As you see here, the leaf spring is underneath the rod or the axle, and then this goes on the axle, the system, and the bump stock goes on top of that. So very, very easy to install. More Super Springs representation. These are the hardware necessary to finish the job. Anti-slip. Is this anti-lock?
That's thread locker, I think.
Yeah, there you go. And the product itself. And these are spacers. So the spacers, depending on how heavy or how light the trailer is going to be and how much you're going to be using it, these are to increase the spacers. If you have an RV, for example, or if you have a minivan, you might need more spacers or less, depending on how much space there is between the axle and the frame of the trailer or the vehicle. Alright, so we got 1, we got 2, and hookup bracket that goes on top. Now, they did a really nice job in wrapping every single thing up. So essentially, this goes to the axle or on the axle, and then you have the disc that goes here, and then you have, depending on how many discs you're gonna put in, and then you have the Super Spring, the Sumo Spring right there. So that's essentially how it's going to be hooked up on the axle on top of it. Very easy, very straightforward. And we will show you exactly how to do that step by step. The reason why I have 2 setups is because I have a double axle. So you'll see here, it's the same product, just doubled up. So double the equipment, double the Sumo Springs, etc. If you have a single axle system, you'll have only 1 product shipped to you. If you have twin axle system, then you'll have 2 products shipped to you. And that is it.